back to my channel. This is your girl Prissy here, and you know on this channel we get dolled from our hair to our toe. We're going to be going into another episode of styling on a budget, okay? Because we got to keep them wet coins in our, I don't have no pockets, but our pockets, okay? So we're going to be going over in this video different ways, multiple ways that you can style a simple shirt dress. You can go pick this up at the Goodwill, at a TJ Maxx, at a Marshall's. Grab one from your uncle or your mama or whatever. You know, you can go for an oversized look or you can go for the fitted look that I have on the dress that we'll be showing today. And just seeing different ways and how you can pair it with the items that you already have in your closet. I'm pretty sure most of these items you probably already have in your closet, which is great, right? Because we're trying to keep them coins and we're sticking to a budget, okay? Drop me some love in the comments. Hit that like button and the subscribe, okay? And share this video with whomever you think it would help or reach or touch, you know? So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay tuned because it's about to get real juicy, okay? This is the shirt dress right here, okay? This shirt dress was one of the last items that was sent to me by Lovely Wholesale, and it didn't come in time with the other items, so I'm gonna be still showing you guys how we can rock this look. I had so many ideas in my mind that day when I had selected this item that I'm like, shit, why didn't this one come? So, I mean, better late than never. So here we are, okay? I'm gonna be showing you how we style this shirt dress, all right? In many different ways. It does have, you know, a little detail right here. But we're not gonna worry about that too much, you know. We're gonna jazz it up, well, however we're gonna jazz it up, all right? So let's get into our first look. And with this, I would like to say, okay, first of all, the shirt dress is an outfit, all right? It is. It's the accessories that you put on with it that makes it stand out even more. So for our first look that we're gonna be getting into, I'm gonna be putting on some knee-high boots, a nice wide brim hat, okay? And just a simple accessory, all right? So that's gonna be our first look with this. So wearing it just as it is, all right? Let's get into this look, dolls. Now this next look that we're going to be getting into is going to be, I love a chunky sweater, okay? And I certainly love a turtleneck sweater. I just feel like it's just super sexy, super cute, and definitely chic, all right? So this is going to add some texture to it, all right? So it's going to be covering mostly where that detail is. So you won't see that peek through. But with this, I'm going to put it on with a nice pair of boots, maybe some sandals. We'll see which one we rock out with. Maybe I'll show you both and you can decide which one you're going to go with, depending on what's the weather in your state, right? I mean, we get some nice days, but I'm in Virginia, okay, Richmond, and it's cold, all right? So I'm trying to dress for warm. But this is a second look option right here, right? So just taking a simple thick sweater that you have out of your closet, layering it on top of the sweater dress, okay, and just going out the door, dressing up with them some accessories or not, or just putting a cute shoulder bag on with it, right? Or some nice, ooh, nice dangle earrings would be super cute with this, okay? So let's get into this next look right here. You're one and only. Alright, so we're still into this shirt dress, alright? Definitely ultimate ways to be styling this dress. The next look that we're going to be going into is another way to stack and layer this look, okay? Now this is more of a casual dress down look. I would put this on more so with some sneakers, you know, and just kind of going for a chic but casual kind of look. So again, it's going to cover that detail right here, and this is just going to kind of peek through. Now I will say, all right, this dress does have a little bit of sheerness to it, so I would recommend putting, you know, something underneath it for your level of comfort, right? We do not want to be showing off our goods underneath.
Okay. Do we? No.
So I would definitely recommend putting on a nice Spanx. If we're wearing it as a dress, I'm going to be putting the Spanx underneath it. I hope that it doesn't show through, but we'll see how that turns out. So we're just going to be layering the statement sweatshirt over top of this sweater dress and put on a nice cute pair of sneakers to go with it, okay? Let's get into this look, dolls. Alright, so we went over some options for sweatshirts, right? I mean, that's cute and comfortable, right? The black one is cute, chic, girly, you know, both of them are girly. Classic type of look with a nice tall turtleneck. The second one is more of a kickback, chill, casual sweatshirt, statement shirt, you know, throw it on and go out the door. Beautiful days outside, okay? So throw on a nice pair of shades with that. Accessorize it if you may, okay, with a little anklet or two. Now, since it is a shirt dress, right, I feel like I have done this before, and I'm pretty sure it's other people as well. Sometimes if I feel like I buy a dress and it's entirely too short, or I want to wear it a different way and I love how the top of it fits, I'm going to put something else on the bottom of it that I can smooth it all out. So which pulls us into this next piece right here. And we're going to put a skirt over top of this shirt bottom, okay? So this is a skirt from BCBG. I wore this for my birthday probably 6 years ago, okay? Yeah, definitely like 6 years ago. So we're gonna layer this and pull the shirt dress down, okay, into the skirt. I'm gonna probably unbutton just a few because I wanna feel a little sexy, okay? I mean, the girls can come out to play in this outfit. So let's get into this look next, dolls. Now, okay, we've gone over 3 good looks, okay, for this white shirt dress, all right? Definitely many options, things that you probably already have in your closet. Wardrobe essentials. I cannot say this enough. I really feel like a white button-up shirt or shirt dress, however you may, all right, is like a good piece to have in your wardrobe, all right? We can do another video on that. You guys let me know in the comments, do you want to go over a video with wardrobe essentials and what we should have in our closet? Because I can open up my closet for y'all. However, this baby is not very organized and I want to get it together a little bit more, but drop me some feedback in the comments. All right, so this next one here, okay, it's for my people that want to be a little bit more comfortable. We can put on a pair of pants, okay? It can be a pair of jeans if you want it to be, maybe a raw hem jean. I think this would be super cute to do these faux leather pants, okay, with a little side slit detail. And just put on a cute little pump sandal, you know, kind of look with it, something sleek, casual, you know, cute. But I just feel like this is for a level of comfort, right? Some people don't want to wear dresses. I mean, I used to be very self-conscious of my legs, to be honest. I used to feel like, oh my God, why are my thighs so thick? Why do they rub like this? Why can't I, no matter how much I ran, no matter how many squats I did, whatever, to try to tone my thighs down, they are there, okay? They came from my grandma Annie Mae Parker, okay? So I just gotta accept it, Miss Parker, Miss Parker. And these pants right here is for a comfortable, casual look, okay? For my ladies that do not want all the skin showing, you can make this look very sleek, casual, sexy as well, okay? Everything is not all about sex, but just comfortability as well. I mean, I love the athleisure look, so even if you want to take this with these pants and put on some sneakers with it, I mean, that's a look as well in its own, okay? So play around with your fashion, make it fun, experiment with different outfits, play dress up with yourself. I mean, you used to do it back when you was a kid, so let's bring back some of those moments into our adulthood as well, because, I mean, we got time. Ain't nothing open. There's not many places to go. Let's get into this look, dolls. Okay, so still with this same shirt dress, okay? This right here is just a tank top. It's just a simple crop tank top, okay? Now it is gonna probably hit just right above the lace and detail, but I'm gonna try this look on and see how it looks. I mean, I'm just playing around with, again, just playing around with different pieces, right? We gonna see if this one is a hit or miss, okay? I didn't try this one on or kind of put too much thought into it because I was like, ooh, the texture of this shirt, this crop top right here, is like a little sweater knit material, right? So we're gonna dress this up and see how this look comes together. Thigh-high, sandals, slide-ins, what you think is gonna be? Let me know in the comments what you think about this one especially. Again, this one was on a whim, okay? Let's get into this look, doll. Now this last one, okay, is really kind of like the first one, which is just wearing the shirt dress as it is and accessorizing and just making this an outfit in itself. But let's talk about an accessory on here that I think will be popping, all right? Snatch that waistline and pull this look all the way together, okay? And we're gonna add a corset. Oh, I forgot I had on my makeup. I didn't get it on there. I was so nervous. Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna add the corset over top of it, okay? So, I can just see this all together, okay? This is definitely gonna be a bold outfit look, even though it's just a corset, but because this patent leather look, I just feel like patent leather just feels sexy to me, okay? I'm not really into a complete patent leather outfit, but pieces of patent leather to add to an outfit just pop to me, okay? So we're gonna get into this look next, dolls, okay? Alright, doll faces, so this is all the looks that we created with just one shirt dress, okay? So definitely items that you should already have in your closet. I hope that you can recreate these looks. If you do, please tag me in them on Instagram and let me see what you came up with, girlfriend, okay? Let me hype you up in the comments, you know, gas my girls up, alright? We are here to get dressed again from our hair to our toe on this channel. I'm going to keep coming with more styling on the budget episodes because, I mean, let's make use of the things that we have in our closet before we go and feel like we need to add so much other stuff to our closet, because social media, these advertisements, these emails, all these bombarding advertisements that are out there, really commercials, other influencers, it's gonna make you feel like you need to grab all these items from everywhere when really you can recreate so many looks with your wardrobe that you already have. So thank you so much for staying tuned with me all the way to this end. Please make sure at this point that you subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again on the next episode of Styling on the Budget, dolls. Be prissy for the love of glam. Okay. We are at the end of this shirt dress remix, okay? I mean, so many outfits that we can come up with, so many pieces that you probably already have in your closet. I mean, let's pull these looks together, okay? I know it's so much influence around the world right now, Instagram, Facebook, all these email advertisements that want you to continue to be a consumer, right? But let's just think about the things that we have in our closet before we go and feel like we gotta grab this, and this just because this person had it on. Let's make our wardrobe a statement, okay? Remix those outfits, play in different looks, line them up on, you know, in a spare bedroom, get you a clothing rack, and just put some looks together, just playing around with it. I would love to help in any way I can, okay? If you guys have outfit ideas or suggestions or things that you just want me to see and look at with you or give you some bomb ideas, please reach out to me. I will be making sure I drop all my contact handles below. I would love to get into the closets with you guys. But thank you so much for staying tuned with me all the way to this end. I hope you guys really enjoyed all of these looks that we created on our second episode of Styling on a Budget. Okay, more is gonna come. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and please share it with your family and loved ones. And you know I appreciate it to the fullest. And let's not forget, be prissy for the love of glam. Bye.